Okay, so today we're going to show this add-on here. First, you're going to click Add-ons, scroll down to Word Cloud Generator, which is one that we're going to do, and we get to choose between Classic and Modern. Let's go with Modern because that's a little bit more fun. And then it'll pop up over here on the right-hand corner, and what it does is it takes all of the text on your document page over here and it creates a word cloud of the most popular words that really capture the central idea of the whole document. And so the reason I would use this in my classroom would be if I had the class, say they all had Chromebooks or some other device that allowed them access to use a class Google Doc, and I had them all respond to a prompt on there or write down words. Then at the end of that, I could close it and then open this word cloud generator, and it would pull out the main ideas of what people are discussing on there, and it could really prompt discussion, which could be really useful in an English classroom, specifically because English classes are all about discussion and you talk about a lot of different ideas, and so if you really want to see what's standing out to people within a text or within a discussion, this would be an easy visual way to begin to talk about those really big main points there.